Why do you want to own a construction company and a property management company? Why not just syndicate the deals and hire third parties to do that work? Well, I'll tell you just why. We did that in the beginning. We've been investing for 17 years in real estate. But guess what? That leaves you less control, can't implement your own systems and processes, and you're really counting on a third-party contractor to deliver on your business plan. Well, that wasn't good enough for us. We wanted to be highly successful in our deals, and we wanted to make sure that we got our investors what we projected or better on their return. And what we found right off the bat was these third parties weren't working for us. So we brought construction in-house first. We were able to scale on our renovations, get our expenses down, implement our own systems and processes, and make sure that we delivered every single time when we were doing our renovation. That worked great. But then we still had problems with the third-party management. We just couldn't get them to deliver on a regular basis. So then we brought in management in-house. That was about 2 years ago. And oh my God, what a difference. Every single deal that we took over with our management company, it was night and day. So that is what allows us to implement our business plans quickly and execute for our investors. If we didn't have that and we were relying on third party, I'm telling you, especially in a market like this right now, it'd be real tough.